Rescheduling Reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. This video is for anyone who scheduled a reel post on Instagram from their phone and now wants to edit it, change the date, but can't find where to do it. It's really hard to find. In this video, I'll show you the updated process. Instagram changed a few things, the names, but this video will explain it all clearly. So let's get started. All right, I'm opening Instagram here. So on your profile, you're going to click up here on these three lines. Here, you're going to scroll down a bit, and under For Professionals, you'll see this option here, Account Type and Tools. It's this option, Account Type and Tools. Click on it. Then you'll see the Scheduled Content option here. Click on that. So here you can see your scheduled content. I have a video scheduled for tomorrow, the 21st at 8 in the morning. If I want to change it, I click here on the three dots next to it, then click Reschedule and choose whatever date you prefer. If you want to change something in the post itself, click the three dots and click Edit Reel to change the hashtag or other details. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's it from me. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.